Hello, everyone. I hope you are safe and healthy at home. And we continue learning English and fighting coronavirus, staying at home. Let's start. Do you hear the music? Do you recognize it? Who is he? Who's this man? Is he an actor or a singer? Yes, he's the reggaeton singer. He's singing here in the photograph. Is he Daddy Yankee or Ozuna? Ozuna! He was here in February in Festival de Viña del Mar. Is he Mexican or Puerto Rican? Puerto Rican! So, do you want to know more about Ozuna? Today, we're watching an interview with Ozuna. And you can demonstrate comprehension of general ideas of this interview with Ozuna. This is the challenge, today's challenge. But before we watch the interview, I'm going to tell you a bit about this conversation. Do you use Instagram? Yes? Instagram? Well, Nohri Peralta Alvarez, who lives in Holland, but she's Mexican, she's a very famous Instagrammer. And she's going to interview Ozuna, the famous Puerto Rican singer. And she feels excited, super excited. She feels happy about the interview. But she also feels scared. She also feels scared because the interview is a cool experience. It's an excellent experience, positive. But she also feels scared because she doesn't speak Spanish. She speaks English. And Ozuna speaks little English. So, there we have. So, is Nohli a singer or an Instagrammer? Is she an Instagrammer or a singer? Yes, she's an Instagrammer. Is Nohli going to sing with Ozuna? No, she's going to interview him. And how does she feel? How does she feel about the interview with Ozuna? She feels excited, happy, very happy, but also scared. Oh, she's nervous, scared, because she doesn't speak Spanish and Ozuna speaks little English. Okay. Shall we quiz you a bit? A short one? Look at this picture, Carmen. How does she feel about the interview with Ozuna? Scared, excited, or cool? Yes, excited. What about Luis? He feels spiders. Ooh. Scared, excited, or cool? Scared. Ooh. And Luis and Carmen, they are having a conversation. So Luis asks Carmen, what do you think about Ozuna's new album? It's cool. I love it. Excellent work. Excellent work. So now we're ready to watch the interview with Ozuna. So Natalie and Ozuna. So you're going to watch it and then you're going to tell me, yeah, if Ozuna speaks English and if Natalie speaks Spanish. Does Ozuna speak English? Does Natalie speak Spanish? Watch the interview and have a lot of fun. See you later. Have fun with Ozuna.